my father lay beside me in a large field used as pasture. The air was cool as the ground released day's heat in long exhalation. Awake far past my bedtime, I mimicked his posture, and behind my head, as we lay there, and I listened to his voice direct me to the stars and their patterns. Cassiopeia, Big Dipper, Little Bear. I put my arms around him, buried my head in his chest, as I was still young enough to do. And he wrapped his arms around me, even as he withdrew into private contemplation. We both knew the light we lay beneath had been orphaned long ago by dying stars. But we were not afraid of the hidden darkness. My father and I felt free. My father and I felt